Good morning, welcome to the Al-Amin TV discussion platform. Today, we explore a subject that silently shapes our lives, decisions, and destinies, values. What are values? The concept. Values are the core beliefs or standards that guide our behavior, influence our decisions, and give direction to our lives. They are like an internal compass, telling us what's right or wrong, what's important or trivial. Whether it's honesty, compassion, justice, or respect, values reflect what we stand for, both as individuals and as a society. Values are those guiding principles that help us decide what's right and wrong. They shape our choices, our behavior, even our goals. Values can indeed be personal, but many, like kindness, justice, respect, are shared across cultures. That's why we say values are subjective, yet sometimes universal. More like a moral compass. Rules are enforced by law, but values guide us from within. When no one's watching, it's our values that decide how we act. A value is something we live, not just believe. And that's what makes it powerful. The nature of values. Values are subjective yet universal. While values can be personal, certain principles like kindness or integrity are respected across cultures and religions. Dynamic. Values evolve. What a generation cherished yesterday may differ from what we prioritize today. Think about how society now values sustainability and digital ethics. Guiding but not enforcing. Unlike rules, values are not imposed by law. They work as a moral compass, influencing behavior through conscience, not compulsion. Hierarchical, we all rank values differently. Some may put family above career, while others choose independence over security. It defines who we are. Why are values important? Their significance. Personal identity. Values shape our character. A person who upholds humility and empathy is known by their values more than their achievements. Social harmony. In a diverse society, shared values build bridges. Tolerance, fairness, and respect can hold communities together even amidst differences. Decision making. When faced with a dilemma, our values act as filters. They guide our priorities, whether in leadership, business, education, or relationships. Education and nation building. True education doesn't just transfer knowledge, it cultivates values. Nations that invest in value-based education produce ethical leaders, not just skilled workers. Global relevance. In an interconnected world, global values like human rights, environmental responsibility, and peace help us act with a sense of shared destiny. Dear viewer, values are not outdated ideals, they are timeless tools. They help us navigate challenges with integrity, and they define us long after titles and trophies fade. As we reflect today, let us ask, what values do I live by? And more importantly, what values am I passing on? Let's build not just a better world, but a more ethical world. Thank you for being with us on Al-Amin TV.